Welcome to the EPO training videos. Part 5, Time Trend. Click on the Time Trend icon, under the Discovery menu. A pop-up window will be opened. For the time trend, the model needs to have a time attribute, which represent date-time values for the x-axis of the time series. Select a time attribute, by clicking on any radio button, from the first column under the Time Group section. Let's select month. The time trend attribute, which was month in this case, is given at the x-axis of the graph. At the y-axis, the pre-selected variable, flight count is given. By looking at the graph, you can see the changes in time for the number of flights. Notice the drop-down selection at the top, which is showing that the graph is valid for arrival only. Clicking on the drop-down, you can change arrival to departure. See the graph updated with the number of departures. From the second column under the Time Group section, you can select another attribute, domestic or international. The secondary attribute acts as a filter on the time trend graph. As you see, now the count of the domestic type of flights are shown. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you can change the given type and select international flights instead. You can select among the available variables. Let's change the time trend to give the passenger count. From the timescale options, you can change the scale of your x-axis. Let's rescale from month to quarter. An important thing here is the function sum is selected, which means the months in the same quarter are summed up together to give the quarterly value. You can try other functions such as using the average of the months, taking the last month's value, and the maximum or the minimum value within the quarter. When scaling, your time attribute's granularity is also important. As the lowest granularity here was month, changing the scale to week, day or hour will not work for this particular data. Thanks for watching.